okay. So I just made a video about my hospital. So I want to make this video towards Trish Paytas. Trish Paytas. I cannot. I'm sorry, Trish. I call her Grindhouse Barbie. Blindhouse Barbie. You know. Anyways, it's Trish. The girl who is beautiful and funny like me. Well, funny. And she's just full of life, and I love her for that. Now, I started watching Trish when I was young. I was like 15, I guess. Or 16. What was it? 15 or 16, yeah. I started watching YouTube and started watching her. And I watched her first video. My first video was what's in your purse and her Hello Kitty bag. It was so cute. And then I was like, okay, I'll watch another one. And she's like, I love Hello Kitty. And, you know, I loved her nails. And, you know, she's just not perfect. Well, like I say, everyone's perfect. But to me, in my eyes, she was perfect. And I was like, I want this life. I want what she has. I want to be accepting of who I am. And, you know, when she came out with the Stripper Diaries, oh my god, I was like crying. Oh, and by the way, Trish, just FYI, I saw that you got a new perfume. And my mom, I was like, Mom, please buy me this. Please buy me this. And I was like, watching you spray it all over your face. I was like, I want it. Well, guess what? They don't have it where I live in Canada. In British Columbia. It's so sad. But I will always keep watching Trish. And I just bound you to go see Trish. Trish is awesome. And I just want to say, Trish, that you are like a sister to me because I look up to you because you know, I actually took your advice and tilted my camera a different angle. Ow. And it actually worked. And you know, when I was, I actually got, for grad, it was kind of funny. I'm going to upload a photo of my grad, but I don't know. I might link it down to the bottom or so. But my hairstyle actually was invented by Trish. Well, not invented by Trish, but I thought of Trish. It was big and beautiful. And, you know, now my hair is purple and shaved on the side. Yes, my hair's coming in. But, you know, I'm different. And I don't care. I like different things. I love, for instance, Trish. She is the most beautiful woman in the world, and I like her for that. I like how funny she is. I like, oh my gosh. You have to see how you have to make rum. OMG, Trish, by the way. I was watching her, how to make something from Starbucks, I forget. So it'll come to my mind, and then I won't be on video. Just I'm playing with parasol. But no, she was making an espresso from Starbucks. Oh my god, I can't remember. Okay. Yep. It is all fallen. 1 minute. Okay, here we go. So yes, like I say, I love Trish. She's awesome. And Trish, if you ever watch this, I'm just FYI. I love you. I'm Ashley from Canada, British Columbia. But yeah, I was looking all over for her perfume, and I was like, oh my god. I was like, no. It's like one of those dramatic scenes, really. No. And you know, but no, I love her. She's awesome. And anyways, now I'm gonna move this camera over to the kitchen because, like Trish, I'm gonna show you how to make a special Christmas tea I make. Well, it's a tea bag and something else, but I will do that. So yeah, I'm making a lot of more videos tonight because I'm so awake. Oh, and before you go, I have to say I was to Trish too. I was listening to Jackie Evancho song from the Silver Stream, and my favorite is with her brother. I See the Light with her brother, Jacob Evancho. And that's from Tangled. So I will go to the kitchen now, and you guys can come. Bye. Mwah.